Hey, how you doing? This thing working? Hello, 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 hello. Hey, how you doing? Welcome to Bike Doors channel. We go for a little ride. Yep, going to check out a new winery. Run that intro. Oh, better watch what I'm doing. We're going for a little ride. I just said that. We're gonna go check out. I don't forgot the name of the winery we're going to. Little Vineyard. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Little Vineyard Creek Winery. I think it's been open since 2011. Not sure. There's a lot of history about. Originally was opened up early in the 1900s or something like that. You know how my CRS does. Hey, it's says it's 60 degrees, sunny. Supposed to start raining this weekend. Sucks. She's off Saturday and Sunday. I don't know what the deal is with me, you know. Here it is Wednesday, and I ain't got a phone call yet, so I'm betting they gonna call here shortly. And like, oh, you gotta be in Texas Friday morning. I wish I should have called me, so I could have packed up and left to drive half of it today and half of it tomorrow and be done with it. But they don't look that far ahead. That's enough about that. How y'all mama and them doing? How your mama and them? Got something itching my head. Oh well. Well, I said to see you in a few. But I remember something. Hey, today's National Grilled Cheese Month. Think I might have me a grilled cheese. Probably not, because they want like $8 at a restaurant for a grilled cheese sandwich. Two pieces of white bread, a little bit of butter and some cheese, and they want $7 for that, or $8 some places. Yeah, enough about that. Inflation. Alright, gas required. I didn't look and see mileage or nothing. It is what it is. I don't even know how many gallons I put in there. But damn, you can't see because the damn truck's sticking out here. Parked right on the edge of the dang road. Can't see if anything's coming. I'll be right on the edge of the road. Y'all didn't see that. So we taking the back roads around through, come out there in Carroll. Look, shoot, somebody doing it right. Most of the time they go across the railroad tracks right here. People stopping here because that truck turning. Must be a wreck on the interstate. Huh. He did it right too. 90% of the time they go straight and try to make it over that railroad track and get hung up. Maybe they drivers and not just steering wheel holders. Great rates on CDs. People still using CDs. I mean, I thought everything now was digital. You know, get it off iTunes or Spotify or something like that. I don't know. Hey, I just want to finally remind you, don't forget about VAM, the Virginia Motor Loggers meetup, or like some people call it, the Moto meetup. But it's a fun time. We get to ride in the mountains and hang out and socialize with people we watch on YouTube. But we doing a pre-VAM or a Dragon Week is some whatever, and something else, ejaculation week. I don't know. This is something they on that. Oh, don't just forget I said that. Anyway, pre-VAM is Black Phoenix Entertainment, Road Reality, Christopher David Lost from the Pale. That's northeastern PA, Pennsylvania. Tech and Net Moto. Some girl, I can't remember her name now. Mindy Moto, maybe something. No, maybe some other ones. Anyway, we're going to do a preview and ride the Tail of the Dragon on the 9th. We're going to meet up on the 8th, July the 8th, in Maryville, Tennessee. Good old Rocky Talk. Yeah, we're going to meet there in Maryville at the hotel that if I think about it, I'll eat something Mountaintop Inn, Resort Inn, or something like that. Black Phoenix Entertainment. Yeah, I believe he's the one that picked it. We're going to meet there on the 8th. They are going to start their journey because he's coming all the way from Black Phoenix. He's coming from Massachusetts. John from Maryland, and Christopher from Pennsylvania, and Tech and Nick Motors up that way somewhere. I think he's still in Virginia. He ain't that far. And then, yeah, and then West Virginia. Like I said, meet there on the 8th, ride the Dragon and some other routes and all. We're going to have a good time on the 9th, and then head up to 10th on to Tazewell, be in Tazewell, Virginia on the 10th. The 11th, we'll do probably some early morning rides or something, and to meet up there. Everything's going to be at the back of the Dragon Welcome Center. Mr. G's still working on some door prizes and stuff like that. Some vineyards or something, maybe a pig roaster guy, something like that. Working on the interstate, putting up poles that says do not enter. People get on the interstate going the wrong way. Hey, I hope y'all come out and meet us at Van. Hopefully we all can make it. I don't know what this guy's doing. Don't want this, well, yeah, it is secured, ain't it? Are we turning? Or are we just gonna go real slow? Ain't got no lights or nothing on that trailer. No, we got lights, but it probably ain't hooked up. Most 90% of the time they not. We are doing a whole 30 miles an hour on this road today. I was gonna say it's pollen season. Everything's starting to bloom and turning greenish yellow, a yellowish green. Well, I mean, you ain't got no fucking, don't cuss. Swing wide, it's a freaking trailer. Oh, Jesus. Take the wheel. Forgive me for my foul language. Stupid people brings out the worst in me. Oh, help me, baby Jesus. We down here in Villa Rica, or south side of Villa Rica. Villa Rica. One of the first gold rush places, Georgia's gold rush. You know, it happened before the 49ers. So we on Hulett Rd here. It's supposed to be down here somewhere. See what that sign says. Little Vineyard 2.0, that Little Vine Baptist Church. That's not what we're looking for. Yep. I don't see no vineyard yet. Vineyard. There, I do right there. So where's this vineyard at? They got nets they put out over there. Is this it? Road ends ahead. Is this it? Is this where we turn? Is this a house? It looks like a house. Huh. Keeps the birds out of them. Alright, well the road ends right here, so I guess this is it. Little Vineyard Winery, wine tasting. And Powers Farm, Family Farm, parking. Powell Family Farm, Summer Camp, Pumpkin Patch, and Christmas Tree. About no parking, winery parking only, no parking other beach told. I just see if we can't, no pets. I'm just going to swing around here so we can swing out. When we go in the front, that's parking for handicap in the back. Oh, boy, this is some thick gravel. Oh, not good. Oh, wait, I can't pull up to the bar? Hey, we leaving this winery. It's pretty cool. Spent way too much money in there. Because we bought the wine book club. Alright, like I was saying before I was rudely cut off by the phone thing running out. Private drive. Can't go that way. End of the road. This is should be called the End of the Road Winery. Me. So, that was pretty good. They had really bold tasting grape. I mean, it was probably some of the best wine we've had in a while. Very good. He said, yeah, those are nets they put out. Said the birds are just pretty much eating the whole thing. Yep. I guess they like the grapes better than they do other stuff. But we bought the wine passport, which we get like $500 worth of discounts. So yeah. So we're gonna head back towards home. Wait on work to call. Maybe I won't get. I'm pretty sure I will. That's a big truck coming in here with a dead-end street. Where's it going, buddy? Probably a feed truck. As Mr. G says. It's a cement tanker. I don't know where you going, man. Maybe he lives out there and he got his driveway he goes to, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. So yeah, so we're gonna close it out here. This is a little short video. I think I took some videos inside and all like that. And this car ain't gonna stop. Wow, I just love when they do that. Just makes my adrenaline start pumping. Woo! Like, are you gonna stop? But anyway, you go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. We'll catch you later. We are pretty close to Atlanta.